So okay guys, I'm back and right now I have my brother to play co-op with me. You probably need to talk closer to the microphone.
Hello.
Okay, first thing I see is that so much space is wasted. I'll probably put my brother's screen a bit to the a bit like smaller to mine compared to mine. I don't know. Then I'll see when I edit. So we're going to go to the next planet right now. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah. We're going to the second planet for the second time. Let's go. So you didn't play this game as of yet, but it's not complicated. We're going to be given an objective. No, you didn't. You only saw me playing. Anyways, that doesn't really matter that much. We're going to Zergo's Lair of Doom. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. These levels tend to be around 30 minutes. So we might be playing for a while. Though, since you're playing with me, it might be faster. We'll share tasks. Okay.
What the fuck?
That's you. Anyways, let's start. You can press the R2 button. You can press the R2 button to do this. Anyways, you can. Oh yeah. We start without weapons. We have to go. We need to go here and do this little thing. Can you get up? Okay. And I'm going to choose. I need to choose this. Buzz blades. Did you get any weapon? Press triangle. See, press triangle. Yeah, you got the buzz blades too. So as it seems, when I get a weapon, you also get the weapon.
Not bad.
You fire with the R1 button and you aim with the L1. If you press triangle, you have to press. You have to press X. You have to press X at the right moment.
Again, technology.
But no problem. No fret.
Well
I'm trying to protect you. You want me to do it? Okay. Say so. Choose the Gravitron. Yeah, that. The Gravitron. Yeah, that.
You just unlocked the Groovatron.
The Gravitron is kind of good.
Let's roll.
Sometimes our fort will be under attack, so we'll need to go back there to save it. Yeah, kinda. Ooh, Warmonger. This weapon is like the best, one of the best weapons in the game, I suppose. So let me look at my yeah, but don't really use it. You only have like 5 shots, so waste if you use it.
We got ammo here.
So let me destroy this. What's this?
Warning. Pyrocytic detonator detected in your vicinity. Recommend locating and disarming. Failure to disarm detonator will result in
Looks like we need to go
mission
there.
failure.
There you go. It's gonna fit you in the face. So, if you really want to do outer space.
Quark, get to cover.
Okay. Oh, you're doing that. No, you did it. Choose yourself, doesn't really matter, those 3.
The Thundersmap is now available.
Oh, that's me.
We've got
see.
some nano whoosy what's this over here.
Oh shit, these guys exploded. You can see me on my minimap. Yeah, we need to disable the bomb or something.
More ammo.
If you're running low on health, pick one of those health boxes. It fully restores your health. And it seems that we also share the boats. Did it. You only have that one.
You have unlocked the plasma bomb launcher.
Those are the strongest weapons in the game. As of now, I still don't have the Rhino. It's the only one that I'm missing. No, Mr. Zircon.
Zircon is now available.
Nice. The new weapon.
No shit, I don't have ammo. Kinda wasted that. Oh well. Can you shoot that guy up there? Up there? You can't really.
The Sonic Eruptor is now available.
Okay, we have like 2 minutes and a half.
So sweet killing you. They may just pin a medal on me for this one. After all, you did take control of the weather.
Damn it, there's no ammo around here.
Do not worry, Furball. Mr. Zircon will protect you. Mr. Zircon is here to kill you.
Not bad, Fort.
You're doing a pretty
I sure
nice
feel
amount of
some
damage here.
firepower about now. Fort, get to cover.
Oh damn it!
Hello, stupid aliens.
Need ammo. I should be around.
Mr. Zircon needs no nanotech to survive. Mr. Zircon lives on fear.
The Pyro Blaster
Okay.
is now available.
Yeah, looks like we need to go here.
Guess I'm a bit rusty.
Press triangle, is it? Okay, damn it, it's kinda weird, the camera
Why
angle.
are we not killing stuff?
I think I done it.
Detonator disarmed.
Yeah, we did it. Now we need to destroy these things to proceed. Let's go. Your big ass is blocking my view. Yep.
And gentlemen, all the way from the Solana Galaxy, the greatest criminal mastermind slash blogger ever to exist, Stuart Durgo! Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I built this bad boy back when I was gullible enough to idolize you. How fitting that it should be used to vanquish you.
Stuart, where are you? Your macaroni and cheese is getting cold.
Mom! I'm in the middle of something! Sheesh! As I was saying, it's time to die. Begin extreme fighting music! When you're dead,
One thing though, when we found this guy for the first time in Ratchet Clank 2,
maybe I'll get my own fan club.
okay, that's an excuse
Not
to
again.
get one of those
Come on,
3.
stupid blaster.
But when we first find him, wasn't it in Bogon Galaxy?
Feels like a box. I spared no expense on this baby. Barricading
Yeah,
the
maybe
hole.
because he looks like
Gatron
invulnerable.
energy shield. Omega Tech Vision Blaster.
Oh shit.
Everything I need to turn a
Yeah, he's
hero
invulnerable.
into
We need
hamburger.
to shoot at those things back.
Have to do something about those shields.
Let me use my buzz blades because it's better than those. Yeah, I know. Quark's very slow. But I think they're all overall they're kind of slow in this game, all the characters.
You can't fix me. I'm unstoppable! I cannot be matched!
Yeah. This guy, he actually appears in Ratchet Clank 2.
What a bunch of
Yeah, we
crap.
can find him like in a side mission. And he loves Quark. But then I suppose he gets mad at Quark because Quark does shit.
Oh boy.
And
Not a good time to run
he's
out
never
of the
blamed. So he kinda is like, why niggas, why? Yeah,
Have you looked
I knew
around
that.
the temple? I think you'll be
Baby
surprised.
bomb. Oh wait, we need to deactivate the bomb. We have like time to deactivate it.
I stole them from
You wanna be the bait
This
while I try to deactivate the bomb?
whole place is wired to
Go,
blow.
deactivate the... be a... do bait. Okay. Okay, you did it. Okay. Nice, nice.
Disarmed.
You make me a proud bro. This is why I love you so much.
Oh, I know.
Before you guys start asking, yeah, we're real brothers. We have the same mother and the same father. Sherlock. I know.
Pyrocytic detonator detected.
Oh, I died.
This whole place will crumble, just like
What
your pathetic
is he doing?
Don't worry about me though. This raritanium hull can withstand a class 3 meteor shower.
Yeah, probably I shouldn't sing that song, or else I might get like a copyright. I don't know. Wait, where are we? Where must we go? This way? Yeah, we need to go this way.
I am so weak.
Where are you?
I'm right behind you, in other words. I mean, in another platform. I think we need to just...
They did. I'm a level 60 mastermind, and you are nothing but a
Oh shit, I committed suicide.
Back in action.
Okay, he's back.
Free ammo.
It's going to
Uh,
be so much fun.
Here's ammo. Gotta miss the Zircon.
We're running out of time.
I'm shooting at him. Try to shoot at him. And it works, because I think he's losing HP.
I'm gonna be taking you, Ro. I'm gonna be taking you, Ro. Looks like all those.
Okay, I think he's dead.
It doesn't make any sense. How can someone so dim-witted keep winning? What are you?
I'm the guy who doesn't live in his mother's basement.
Ouch.
You guys tired? I heard about a gang of mutant space ninjas over in the Corvus sector.
Perhaps we should get Mr. Zergo over to the authorities first.
And clear your name.
Oh, yeah, right. Can I at least get a woe Q-Force then?
Nope,
Just one?
can't do it.
Ratchet?
Eh? Oh, what the heck. I guess you earned it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Q-Force!
Oh. Shit.
Yeah, we probably should have practiced that.
I think the game is over.
Really?
Yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
Well, that wasn't expected. Okay. Yeah, it's over. Well, guys, I started this game like today. It's already over. I knew it was short, but okay. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This last part was with my with the cooperation with my brother. Right? Yeah, he's like, what the fuck, you made me play this game and it's already over. Yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. And see y'all next time. Bye-bye. You need to say it louder.
See ya.